So we already saw how the chain rule kind of works, but let's figure out how it works with regard to the product and the quotient rule. So if you have the function 2x 3x plus 1 quantity squared, then you know the product rule is derivative of one of them times the other one plus the derivative of the other one times the first one. So we can go, so we can start with 3x plus 1 quantity squared times the derivative of that first one, which is just 2, plus the first one, so that's 2x, times the derivative of the second one. So if you remember how to do the chain rule, that becomes, we did this, that becomes 2 times 3x plus 1 times 3, so that's 2x times 3x plus 1 times 6, so that's 2 times 3x plus 1 squared plus 18x times 3x plus 1. And that is the derivative of that function as the product applies. And so now for the quotient rule, which is a little bit different. I have to write down the quotient rule because it sucks. So it's VUV over U squared. So if you had, so you had 2x over 3x minus 1, actually, just for simplicity's sake, 3x minus 1 quantity squared over 2x, so that'll just be a little easier. So, so v times u prime, so that's 2x times the derivative of that, which we established several times, is 6 times 3x minus 1 minus uv prime, so that's 3x minus 1 quantity squared times the derivative of the bottom, which is 2, all over 2x squared. So when you multiply everything out, gross, I ran out of space, it becomes 12x times 3x minus 1 minus 2 times 3x minus 1 quantity squared, over 2x squared. And from there you can kind of figure it out. I think that's simplified down far enough. I guess you can factor out it too, but that's really not entirely necessary. So you can factor out your stuff and figure it out from there, but that's how it applies.